This might look complex, but it's actually one of the most relaxing paintings I have ever made. Let me show you how we got here, step by step. Welcome to part 5 of Abstract Watercolor Escape. Still abstract, still watercolor, still a great excuse to ignore your laundry and say this mental break is for everyone's safety. Hi, my name is Fatih, but you can call me Fab. I'm a watercolor artist, online teacher, and mindfulness enthusiast here in Warsaw, Poland. Jack is somewhere around here too. He better come back with a hot cup of coffee. In this class, we are putting it all together, starting with bold, intuitive color. We are using masking tape and creating layered zones like we did in part 3. Paint first, draw later like we did in part 4. We are adding narrographic lines and flowing designs like we did in part 1 and part 2. And we are finishing it off with crisp black patterns that make the whole page sing, just like we started doing in part 4. It's colorful, it's layered, and it's beautifully chaotic. And it's relaxing too. Think of it as a visual journal page for your nervous system. You will explore watercolor flow that feels like meditation, drawing details that gently pull you in, creating structure without stiffness, letting go of outcomes and enjoying the process. Whether you've done every part or you're just jumping in, you're in the right place. Draw with me, real time, make a mess, take your time, find a rhythm, and maybe surprise yourself. And when you are done, show us what you made. Post it in the project gallery and let us know. Did this help you relax? Did your page reveal something unexpected? Alright, tapes ready, paints wet, black pen waiting. Let's bring it all together and see what happens.